Hey, crypto family, how you doing? We're going to talk about the fact that the entire crypto market is down right now about 3.3% as of the recording of this video. And we're going to talk about how bad could this get? What's the bottoms here? What's the outlying factors? What's impacting crypto right now? And really, what does the short term to midterm future look like? We're going to break all that down in this video. Please don't be scared. This is an event kind of expected, and we're also going to talk about, should you sell or not? Should you get out of crypto? It's a good question, right? All right. So as I said, 3.3% down. Market cap, we're now below that $4 trillion mark a little bit right there. We're going to take a look per AI. Why is the market down? Well, we've got a couple of major things playing out. We've got liquidations playing out. So long leveraged liquidations. So these are people who were going long on Bitcoin, Ethereum, what have you, and their markers in essence have been called and they have been liquidated because we have dropped. Okay. We've also got profit taking for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We all know that we had Bitcoin go up, just recently hit its all-time high of $124,000. We've now since pushed back. Anytime you get close to a high like that, 124 for Bitcoin, you're going to see some profit taking. You're going to see some people that are going, I want to take some money off the table. I think they should stay, but that's my opinion. And the same thing can be said for Ethereum. We have been running hard for Ethereum. Ethereum has been up dramatically. I mean, look at this. Ethereum in the last 38 days, 95+%. She's running, right? Again, same thing applies here. You're going to see some profit taking when you start to see Ethereum moving like this. So we've got profit taking leveraged, long wipeout, things of this nature. Federal Reserve jitters. Our buddy Powell, Jackson's whole speech is looming. Okay, so to put that in perspective, let's take a look at what's going on over on the stock side. Look at this. Front and center, Powell faces a dilemma heading into final Jackson Hole speech. Okay, so this is not where they're going to reveal what they're going to do. Let me move me over there. So this is what we're talking about right here. This is not where they're going to reveal. Are they going to raise the rate? Blah blah blah. No, this is his famous Jackson Hole meeting. This is the meeting of the Federal Reserve Board. The meeting, things of this nature. And what's he going to say? Okay. Anyway, long short of it is, I think that's playing into it a little bit. You can see that the stock market over here on the right, and I'm covering it up again. The stock market over here on the right is a little flat as well. Okay. So let's flip back to crypto. Before we do that, hey, links in the description below. Go get my free newsletter, Wealth Strategies, helping you create even more profit and more wealth with stocks and crypto, delivered to your email twice a week. Go get it. Okay, just go get it. It's free. Sign up. Go get that. All right. Okay, so where are we going from here? What are we thinking? Okay, should you sell? Should you be getting out? How bad is this going to get? No, I don't really think so. I'm talking with some pretty hardcore TA people. These are people that do technical analysis. They seem to think that the bottom here for Bitcoin is 112. Right now, Bitcoin is at 115. So if we're looking at the bottom for where we're going to see some bounce off of 112, and then we start to go back up from there, 120, 122, as we start to move up. We could even see, obviously, Ethereum break through its all-time high, hitting into that $5,000 range. And all of this, remember, is setting up for Q4, fourth quarter, October, November, December. I couldn't remember if fourth quarter started with September. There you go. Live video, baby. All right. Yeah. October, November, December. That is what we are looking like as far as when things are really, really going to take off, and we're really going to see a lot of movement there. Okay. So yeah, I think that's really it. I think I just wanted to give you guys that. So is this a should you sell event? No, I don't think so. I think this is kind of the normal volatility associated with crypto. Why is it down? Again, profit taking on the major assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, some XRP as well. XRP is pushed down below $3. I did a video on that earlier today. By the way, like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Please, please, please. I would greatly appreciate it. And then final note here. Look, if you want to help making even more money in crypto, you need to be using a trading indicator. This is a piece of software that runs on your iPhone, runs on Android, runs on a computer. Mine cost about $1.15 a day to use. There is software out there that costs over $300 a month That is $10+. I am 10 times cheaper than a lot of my competitors out there. Okay. And the software runs great. I've got thousands of people using it. The quarterly option is the best. There's a link in the description below. There's a link below this video if you're watching this on X. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. And yes, the price is cheaper than what you see on the screen if you use that discount code down there, SP1, SP1. Use that discount code at checkout and you get a stupidly great. You know what I'm saying? Stupidly low. That's what I meant. Yeah. Okay. Discount, 30-day money back guarantee. What that means is you really get to try the software for free for 30 days. Because if you don't like it, you get a complete refund. You have zero risk in this. You have zero risk in this. There's no reason you shouldn't at least try this. Because look, go back to this. How'd you like to have known the perfect time to buy and sell Ethereum as an example? Buy alerts triggered here. Alert, little pop-up comes in on your iPhone or your Android, right? Buy Ethereum now. Boom. And then Ethereum, look, Ethereum ran all the way to here, 15 days, 53%. So $1,000 bought here, then sold here, per when the software told you, would have made you a profit of $536. So again, the software said sell, okay? Then there was a little bit of a wait period, and the software said, okay, buy again, with a little bit of a dip. The market was flatlining. We got another 4 days, another 9%. Software said sell, don't take a 15% loss, right? Then the software said, buy again right here and lock in another 43%, another $433. So all in a period of about 38 days, literally about $1,000 profit off of a $1,000 investment. That's how it works. Okay. Yeah, it works. It does work. Thousands of people using it. I've got a private community behind it. I've got live coaches who are doing classes every single week. 3 classes a week are there in the live community that's behind this. That's free to you for being an X1 Algo member. And it costs you about $1.15 per day. You got zero risk in this equation. Links are down there. Go get it. See it.